let's get ready. The breading, we're gonna use an egg, a splash of milk. This is literally my number one comfort food, and I can eat this every single day of my life. No regrets. And now we're ready to fry. Okay, so we're gonna add some ghee to some oil. Once it gets hot enough, we'll drop in the chicken. One thing I do to make sure that the oil is ready, I'll put some of the crumbs in there, and if they bubble on top, they're ready. In a couple minutes, we're gonna flip them over, and once they're done, we're gonna take them out and get ready for the salad.